Hey everyone, welcome back to Code the Road. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create footstep effects, and let's get started. So what I'm going to do is go over to my world settings, open my default pawn class, double click to open it, and scroll down until I see the character effects or the effects manager component. And I'm just going to double click over here where it says ACF underscore care effects DT. And you're going to see this default footstep effect. You don't have to clear this. I'm just going to clear it just cause. And I'm going to check this check for surface. And what I'm going to do is add to my array the footstep effects by surface. And I'm going to add one called grass. And then I'm going to add another one called sand, just for tutorial purposes. And then I'm going to add some action sounds for both of these. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm using this footstep sound effect pack, which come with tons of different footsteps. So as you can see over here, I have footsteps for carpet, concrete, armor, grass, sand, gravel, wood, all this type of stuff. So I'll just go over and just add the first one, and I'll add this footstep for grass, and then I'll add one for sand, and I'll hit save. So now what I'm going to want to do is I'll go over to my full sample folder, and I'm just going to right click, and under physics, I want to create two physics material. Double click on physical material, hit select, and I'm going to do PM underscore grass, and then I'll do it again and call it PM underscore sand. Just like that. So now I'm going to double click to open the grass and set the surface type to grass and hit save. And then I will double click this PM sand and set this to sand. And you can add as many as you want. When you go over to edit, open project settings, and then go scroll down till you see engine physics. Under the engine tab, you'll see physics. And I'll scroll down till I see something that says surface types. So over here, it'll say physical surface, and you'll see these physical surface type 1, grass, dirt, forest, sand. And when you add on to this, it'll automatically add to your ACF care DT effects or data table. So this dropdown will contain anything filled in from there. And all you need to do is create a physics material for each of these. And now I'll do something. So I'll create two boxes just for this demonstration, or two planes, or two cubes in this case. And I'll just stretch them out a little bit, and then I'll duplicate it, and I'll just apply some quick texture to this just so it's easy to see. And let's say for this one on the right, I'm going to apply the grass physics material. So I'm going to select details, and then there's a physics material override here. So I'm just going to give it that PM underscore grass. And for this one, I'll give it that PM underscore sand. I'll hit save, and then I'll just add some textures onto this just so it's more visually easy to see. Like this. And now when I hit play, you're going to see that when I walk over my sand, you'll hear that sand audio that I put in. And when I walk over when I walk over the grass, you'll hear this grass audio footstep. And now when I go over the sand, you'll hear the sand audio footstep. And you can also hear the enemies, so that's why it might sound like multiple are playing. There you go. Now you can only hear my footsteps. And it's pretty straightforward. Feel free to use this on your landscapes. Really easy to do and set up. If you need that in a separate video, feel free to leave that in the comments below. Thanks for watching Code the Row. Like, subscribe, comment below what you want to see next. And I'll see you in the next video. My Discord and Patreon links in the description below. Thanks for watching. And yeah, see you in the next video.